Hey guys, I put together a little studio tour for you. Come check it out. Welcome to my studio, part 1. I have a comfy chair in the corner for sitting and thinking and my yoga mat because this is where I also do yoga. This is my office area where I have my Mac and my Cintiq pen tablet where I design all my paintings and do the small business work that keeps artists afloat today. Welcome to the painting studio. This is my little thinking corner. I have a pretty garden outside my window because we're passionate about gardening around here. I keep a lot of quirky little things around for inspiration. I have a couple of tables where I can spread out if I need to. I have a Klopfenstein easel, which is a little bit unusual. It's an industrial model. I'm painting from my old Mac monitor. I prefer painting from the monitor rather than from prints. My easel is in the middle of the room so that I have some light from the window. I also have these overhead lights that are around 5,000 K and have a high color rendering index. I have a homemade parallel palette that's elevated and it's on a tripod. And I like that because it puts the palette in the same light as the easel. It's also easier on the body. I have a maul stick that's made out of an old drapery rod, and there's a 1x4 at the top of my easel where I can balance it when I'm not using it. I have a painting stool and an anti-fatigue mat I could not live without. Here's all my silver brushes. I have quite a few. I have this old store display that was given to me by our local art supply store for my extra Rembrandt paint. These are IKEA picture ledges, perfect for small paintings while they're drying. I have, I guess, what you might call a vanity wall. I framed invitations and publications of my work. Collectors seem to enjoy seeing them on studio visits. Thanks for taking the tour.